Hey everybody, it's Riggs9653, or Rob, taking you through. We're going up and down our Promega line to show you guys what's going on. So these are the different stations that install the various parts of the Promega going. Here's one that's having its bed mounted into it and all the configurations. And then it looks like it's already got its motor mount. So that looks like that's a mixing dual setup that's being put onto this one. Very nice stuff. So there's NEMA motors in place, looking good. We come along here. Here is little packs. Those are 3D printed parts. They're printed on a Promega to go into a Promega. There's nice. NEMA 17s, mounting plates, all the various screws. Those are motor mounting plates, specifically. Here are some bed sub-assemblies that are being put together. People are at lunch right now, so I can come through and show. But we're all on 12-hour shifts getting these done and getting them out there. So all the many screws and connectors all organized and laid out so that everything gets put in. There's some more motors. Here's some frames that have been coming in and they've been validated. We put the bed in there to test to make sure everything's nice and square. And here's some that have got their bed sub-assemblies all the way through. See some more of those 3D printed parts from the Promega that go into the construction. So these have had their beds mounted and they're getting ready to move on to the next set of sub-assembly installations. So you can see there's 8, 9, 10, 11 there that are going through today. And then we have our other frames that have just come in and been unpackaged, cleaned off, and we're starting to put the beds in there to check them for square. And then here's some other stations behind me here. Some more motor mounting brackets. Some of the more fine pieces, pulleys. This is where the sub-assemblies are actually getting created. And everything gets put through. And then pulley mounts. And then bigger bins of 3D printed parts. So you can see the Promegas that we do have that are printing parts for Promegas are working at high production output. Here's a bed getting assembled. And then here's some more beds that have yet to be unpackaged and assembled. And then here you go, and you can see the sample arm of what we're putting together here. And there's a whole bunch more sub-assemblies set up and ready to go. And we're working the long hours to get these done and get them out, and we can't wait to see what you guys do with them. So we'll have more updates later today, but we just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek of the line.